Hello, your viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Well, today we got a treat for you. Alright, this is a first for the channel. I have not reviewed any of their products before. It is almost impossible, well, this is about the only way I can show it. It's about almost impossible to be anywhere around the beard game without somebody mentioning Beard Octane. And somebody's mug is right there. So, you know, this is a collab with Dancy Bearded. Now, like I said, we're doing new stuff for our openings, but I had to bring this to the channel. Dan keeps going, hey, this is my favorite, it's my number one, if this is the only one I can ever have, I gotta have it. I was like, man, it can't be that freaking good. Teach, I know you're good, I know the stuff you do is wonderful, I know you put out quality product, quality content, your name is attached to good stuff. I'm like, it's freaking impossible for this thing to be that good. You have to fail sooner or later. Hashtag, no he didn't. It's freaking awesome, son. It really, truly is. But let's get into the fun stuff, okay? If you're kind of new to the channel, I've changed the openings up a heck of a lot, and I usually like to give you a little bit of background info about the company. Now, if you guys are familiar with Beard Octane, skip ahead about a minute. That should put you right into the meat of the review. Okay, you can find these guys over on beardoctane.com. They are proudly made in the USA out of Colchester, Connecticut, which is really, truly funny because I spent basically the first 17 years of my life in Norwich, Connecticut. So it's kind of like neat to go back to the hometown, you know, home state, hometown, and just be like, wow, let's support things locally. Now, as you can tell by that big old mug sitting right there, this is a collaboration with Dancy. I believe it was last summer, you know, as they call themselves, the Four Horsemen, they all got their collabs with Beard Octane. Well, we're taking a look at Dancy's. Now, Joe is the owner, he's the CEO, and he is just, the only way I can put it is he's incredible. If you've ever caught a live feed with Beard Octane, they always bring it. They always bring giveaways. They always bring hype. They always bring something special. They've always got something new coming out. And that's just freaking phenomenal. All right? Now, I usually, when I go do my reviews, I go right to the About Us section of your web store. And I want to see what you've got to say about yourself. Joe had a lot of great things to say about his company and gave me a lot of incredible information that, well, I loved. And I'm going to boil it down to about 3 easy parts. I love how he puts his company was born from a hardworking American, developed a beard care brand that anyone could be proud of. Okay, that's cool. You want people to be proud of your product. You want people to keep coming back to your product. I get it. That's awesome. I love the fact he puts down there they use high quality, all natural ingredients. That's awesome. After my beard journey that I've been on, I am really peculiar about what goes in my beard. You know, I use a lot of lower end stuff. My beard really wasn't responding with the stress I was going through. Some of you may remember that big glowing white patch I used to have on my beard. And for those of you forgotten, take a look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever. It's going to be sitting right up there. You're going to see in my earlier videos, the big white patch. And now here's the one, other than what came in my package, is going to make me keep going back to Beard Octane for future purchases. Joe comes from a line of basically military and first responders, and he is very supportive of both of them. Being former Army myself, I get it. You're helping my brothers and sisters, you're going to have my business dollar. So I think that's really, really cool. The other thing that sunk me in, okay, yeah, you get a little sticker, which, if you sticker heads, there you go. You got to thank you. Okay. And, well, that's about the only, hold on. You get a little cool discount code for your next purchase. But this is the part that just, it got me. All right, you might want to freeze frame here right about now. All right, pulling that off. He sent me a free beard balm because of the tough times in COVID-19. I didn't order it. I didn't even know it was arriving. I opened my order and I was like, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, wrong order, dude. Then I read that note and I went, oh, hey, that's kind of cool. And seeing how I'm not a huge balm guy, I haven't used it at all, but Mechanic has a very interesting smell to it. All right, but we're not here to talk about Mechanic, and we're not here to talk about anything else I got in that order. Well, we haven't had a camera dump in a while, and we just had one. So like I said, we're not here to talk about the bomb, so depending however back, it's going to go, we're not here to talk about what else came in the package. We're here to talk about the beard oil, which, as Johnny Grooms loves to go, was bought for the purposes of this review. I know, Johnny, trademark infringement, but still. Okay, it does come in a 1 ounce amber bottle, and currently, as of April 5th, 2020, it's currently on his web store at $17.99. Now, everybody was ranting and raving about it and going, oh my God, the smell of this thing is amazing. What they say on their web store is it's citrus with a burst of ginger. Well, if you break it down, it's ginger, lemon, lime, and positivity. If you know the teach, it's got to have some positivity. All right, and where else? You can also kind of see it right there. So I thought that was cool. It's got a really medium scent strength, and this is what kills me. You really can smell the carbonation in there. It's like you just opened up a fresh thing of ginger ale. And that's about the only way I can put it. That refreshing lemon lime, just you open it up and that's what you're smelling. In my beard, it lasted 4 to 6 hours. The only thing I don't like about this is like the childproof top. I don't like having to push down and twist to get to my beard oil. All right, I don't. For those of you who like the coloration, it's got a yellowish golden tinge to it. And, well, there we go. It's not a real, how can I put it? It's not a real light oil. It's not heavy. It's somewhere close to a medium side where it's not going to run all over your hands and make it look like, you just grabbed olive oil or something like that. It's not the only way I can put it, like Crisco. Some kind of canola oil, whatever. It gets in there and it gives you a really, really good coat. Now, I forgot to do this. I always forget to do this. Yeah, seriously, even right in bottle, I'm getting the huge, the lemon and the lime with that bit of ginger. But when I get it in beard, that's when I really, really, really smell like the carbonation of the ginger ale. Now, here's what gets me, all right? On their web store, the ingredients are a little bit different than what's printed on the bottle, with one small exception. I'll get there in a moment. Aloe extract, argan oil, fractionated coconut oil, hazelnut oil, which is on the web store but not on the bottle, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and essential fragrance blend. It's been reviewed 28 times and it's got a 5 out of 5 star rating. I can see why. It seriously is phenomenal. Now, here's some fun parts that I love to throw in on this video, okay? If you're unfamiliar with how to use beard oil, it's totally cool. That's why we go to YouTube. That's why we watch these reviews. We want to learn something. So it's perfectly okay. It's got 3 great freaking uses. It seriously does. The first one is you need to look at it as a vitamin supplement for your skin. I know. Beard oil is for your beard, right? Look, if you've been around YouTube for a while, you've already seen that ad. You already know. No, it's more for the skin under your beard than it is for your beard. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils, essential vitamins, essential everything to keep your beard growing, healthy, luscious, long, beautiful. No split ends, not bird's nesty and dry and crackly. Doubt me? Take one weekend. Just take 48 hours, okay? Seeing how we're all locked up in quarantine anyway, go without showering. Your head hair is going to turn incredibly greasy. It really, truly is. Your beard hair is going to dry out and it's going to become bird's nesty, crackly, it's going to drive you insane. Your beard needs a lot of nutrition, a lot of supplements, and a lot of great stuff to keep it growing wonderful. Like I said, take that 48 hours. Go ahead, check it out. Second great use is beard oil is going to help soften up your beard. It's going to get in there. It's going to make it soft, supple, just wonderful. Beard Octane, I love what you did with your oil and how it works in my beard. I don't know if it's just the coconut oil, but man, my beard felt really, really soft wearing your oil. It was a wonderful feeling. Have your better half get in close when you're wearing it. Do you want them curling up next to a cactus? You're going to get the Heisman. Whoo! Or you want them curling in there close and be like, all right. And the third great use is that scent profile. If it works in your beard, now every beard is different, okay? Some people's bodies are going to react to certain scent profiles a different way. Like for me, mint, no go. No go. It turns rancid in my beard for some reason. Don't know why, it does. But if that scent profile works in there, for as long as it stays in there, you got that great feeling, you got that refreshing feeling, that overjoyed feeling. So there's 3 great uses right there for beard oil. Now, how do you apply it? You go, real simple, okay? I showed you the eyedropper top. Get whatever amount you need in that eyedropper top and dispense it into your hand. Everybody's going to use a different amount. Here's a great way to tell if you're using too much. Apply whatever amount you think you need, and 30 minutes later, rub your hands right down your beard. If you come out a greasy mess, you have used way too much. For my beard, I use a portion about the size of a quarter. Some people may use more, some people may use less. That quarter seems to work perfect in my beard. Rub your hands together to warm it up. And that's when you're really going to activate that scent profile. You really, truly are. You should be able to put it in your hands and smell it after you've warmed it up. Work it into your beard all the way down to your skin, especially like the little dead spots underneath. Really get it in there because that's where your body needs that help, and groom it out. It's that simple. Got to be feeling good, got to be smelling good, got to be looking good. You're going to have an overall different appearance. And yes, just the simple $18 beard oil can seriously change your whole amount of your day. Seriously, it can change your whole countenance. I know, big word there. But still. Now, here's the favorite part of the video for me, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I really want to know, have you used Beard Octane before? This is my first experience, and I've only used it about 4 times. I know, I've held it up there close. You can see exactly how much I've used. I ain't lying. I've used it 4 times since I've gotten it. I love it so much, I don't want to become addicted to it, and that's the only thing I want to wear because there's other stuff I love to bring to the channel and do. It would get a little old with you guys seeing Beard Octane, Ginger Jamboree every other day, right? Okay, now, we're going to try something a little bit different for this one, all right? Kind of are. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much. You know, I know there's lots of options out there available on YouTube, and you know what? I know we're in quarantine, view times are up for a lot of people, and I'm grateful that you're watching my video. Hopefully I earned your subscription. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, first thing I want you to do, click on that button right down there, okay? That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon. Seriously. Why? Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, if I haven't earned your subscription, just leave me a comment down below what I can do to possibly earn it. You know, be constructive because, well, it's my job to earn your subscription and earn your view time, right? I'd really like to know how I can, you know, bridge that gap and see what we can do. Okay, so after all that fun stuff being done, you know, what you're going to see probably over here is about 2 videos that are popping up right now because I know I'm about to the end of this video. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they believe are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My semi-quick look at Beard Octane's Ginger Jamboree. Teach, it's freaking wonderful oil. Joe, you picked a great guy to collab with. I love this thing. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.